It's here. It's finally here. Immunotech has just launched their Shake It Up product in Canada, and I am super excited. You know, a lot of consultants and customers have been asking for this type of product from Immunotech for a long, long time. And the reason is because they know that Immunotech is the expert or has such high quality protein in the marketplace. But more than that, they know that all the products that Immunotech develop, it's always backed by science. But before I go into the product a little more, I want to talk about one important thing: our muscle. As we age, maintaining muscle mass and strength becomes really important. And it's important for our mobility, our independence, and our overall health. And protein plays a really important role in maintaining our muscle mass as we age. But unfortunately, and most of us on this listening to this will agree, that as we get older, we find it harder um, to eat a lot of protein, let's say. And so as we age, some people start resorting on products like Ensure or Boost. And, you know, those products just don't cut the mustard. And here's why: because they are so full of sugar. Most of them have 22 grams of sugar in them. And folks, we just don't need that amount of sugar as we get old. It's just not good for our health. And if you're diabetic or you're on the cusp of diabetes, especially watching the sugar is so important. Plus their protein value. The protein value in Ensure and Boost just isn't there. It just simply isn't there. So this is the answer. Shake It Up is the answer to that. And the great news about Shake It Up is it qualifies as a meal replacement in Canada because it offers 15 to 20 grams of protein. The Shake It Up product, it's 20 grams of protein in this package, high quality protein. But the greatest thing about this, folks, is there's zero sugar, no sugar in this product. They've added turmeric to this as well, which helps your body absorb the protein very readily. So I'm really encouraging everyone to take a look at this product. Give it a try this month because it's on sale. They've given you a special introductory offer. It's 3 boxes: chocolate, vanilla, strawberry. You get the shaker. It includes the shaker. And I'm really encouraging you all to give it a try. And here's something else. You can really turn it into a robust meal. You can add frozen fruit. You can add vegetables. You can add healthy fats to this to really make it a great meal for yourself and very absorbable. So again, look at the specials as they come through your email. Give this product a try, and hey, here's to health for all of us. Oh, I forgot to mention, it's a ketogenic product. It's 90 calories. So if you're looking to lose a little bit off that waistline, I'm encouraging you to give it a try too. So I've been using this product for just over a week now. And my personal feedback is I find it very satiating. I find it helping my workouts. Trying to trim down some of the extra that I have as well. So it's really providing that little bit more of energy to my workouts as well. So again, give this a try. If you have any questions, please text me or email me. I'll be glad to answer.